Hey, little dude. Yeah, come over here. Come over here. What are you doing? Put your arms down. Put your arms. Yeah, give your pops a nice firm handshake. Oh, what's that thing you got dropped off in? Is that your mom's new car? When the hell she get a Jeep? Gotta be a $40,000, $50,000 car there. Yeah, go grab a flashlight, help out the old man. Make yourself useful for once. Oh, what, you like the Jeep? Oh, you better like that Jeep, kid. Where do you think all my alimony's going? Must be real nice. Old Rhonda's driving around in a brand new Jeep, hitting every goddamn curb in the city probably. Meanwhile, your old man's here, trying to get the hog running. Yeah, it better be nice, kid. It better be nice. I'm paying for it. Can you hold the flashlight steady, please? Jesus, what are you trying to blind me over here? That'd be it. Broke and blind. Your mother would love that, wouldn't she? Not my eyes. On the bike. Come on, kid. You know, things weren't so bad when the old hog was running. You know, your old man used to cruise up and down the shore on this thing, on the reg. The girls on the strip, when old Pete pulled up on the hog, Peter Papa Cherry. Just the sound of the hog was enough to get the drawers damp. Peter Papa Cherry. That's what they call me. Peter Papa Cherry. You know what cherry is, kid? Nah, of course you don't. You know, even your mother wasn't such a joyless bitch back when I had the hog running. Those were the days, kid. Those were the days. And, you know, then you came along. Would you shine the light and quit looking at your damn... If you look at your damn phone one more time, I'm going to throw it in the garbage disposal. Yeah, we had you, a little bundle of joy. What are you, crying? The fuck's the matter with you? Oh, of course I love you, kid. Jeez, Lord almighty. I swear, what, you gotta hear it every 5 minutes? Once a year on your birthday ain't good enough for you? I swear to God, you're just like your mother. Come on, hold that light steady. You're gonna give me a seizure over here. You know, I think it might be better this way. Kinda looking forward to it. Once we got the hog running again. Peter Papa Cherry, he's gonna be back. The ladies have been crying, they miss me. What about you, kid? You got yourself a little girlfriend or something? Yeah, she got any friends? Oh, come on, it's not like that. I mean, like a slightly older sister. Not too old, though, okay? Okay? Oh, your old man's had about enough on moms at this point. Kid, make sure to put on your safety squint for this one. I don't need to hear from your mother if I send you home with an eye patch. For the love of Christ. I swear to fucking God. A boo-boo? What are you, fucking 4 years old? And by the way, your mother's not a nurse. Your mother's a phlebotomist, okay? She sucks the blood from people. Very apt job for her. Up here, kid, okay? I'm really trying not to be an asshole to you right now, but, you know, you want me to say I love you? I'd love you a lot more if you pointed the flashlight where I needed it, okay? You play the little Pokemon video game, huh? The one with them gay little animals, and you upgrade them? Your mother has evolved. She's reached her final form. The pinnacle of evolution for talentless white trash is phlebotomist. You know, she was a door goer at a titty bar when I met her. You know that, right? You don't like to talk about that. 10 years of unlubed hand jobs, then 10 more alimony. I choose you. Things were better when the hog was running. I tell you, kid. Just gotta get back into it. Peter Papa, come on, baby. Come on. Come on. Oh, for the love of Christ. Come on. What about you, kid? You talking to any girls? Just don't get married. Take a little advice from me, old man. Don't put a ring on it, okay? And keep your ranger wrapped. I know it sucks, trust me. I still don't like to do it. But come on, you want to end up like your old man here? Or is it like father, like son? You're slaying trim over there at Jefferson Davis Middle. Come on, you blushing? What are you so shy about? Oh, you're not gay, are you? You know, legally, you gotta tell me if you're gay. You getting yourself some action? Oh, she goes to a different school? You met her online? Hey, the power of the internet. Who am I to judge? You got a picture of her? What the fuck? The fuck's the matter with you? What is that, a cartoon? What the fuck is a fursona? Listen, kid, your dad has gone down on some primo hair pies in his day, okay? But, you know, none of them had a tail. You don't have one of these fursonas, do you, kid? No, you gotta tell me if you're gay. There goes another bolt. Jesus Christ, I swear to fucking God. I'm losing it, kid. I'm losing it. Maybe if you held the goddamn flashlight steady, I wouldn't be dropping bolts everywhere. Stop thinking about banging walruses, dolphins, whatever the hell you're into. Jesus Christ, I don't understand this world, I swear to. Hey, you starting high school next year, huh? You gonna play ball, just like your old man? You know, everybody back then, they thought I was gonna go pro. Your old man had an arm like a cannon. Those were the days. After that game, kid, I swear I lost my class ring so far up a cheerleader's hoo-ha that her firstborn son probably came out wearing it on his finger. Not football, huh? Well, you gonna play baseball? I guess that's all right. Marching band. Little fairies with the capes and the hats and the tubas. Marching band is not a sport. You know, you have to tell me if you're gay. Christ almighty, I can't catch a break here. My son don't even know he's gay. He's gonna play a fucking flute in high school instead of playing ball. The bitch of an ex-wife is sucking me dry. Things used to be a lot better, kid. Used to be a lot better. Can you hold the damn flashlight straight? What possessed you to want to walk around playing a flute at the football game instead of actually playing in the football game? I just can't understand it. Band director? How do you know the band director? I went to high school with Willie Machowski, okay. Oh, Weasel Dick Willie, we used to call him. Summer of '89, old Weasel Dick Willie busted his cherry. Nobody saw that one coming, that's for sure. The broad was his cousin, okay. Busted a nut right there on the leg, so does it even count? Fucking premature ejaculator. I thought fuck you know Weasel Dick Willie anyway. What do you mean he comes over? What, to your house? To your mom's house? Your fucking mother is screwing Weasel Dick Willie, the premature ejaculator? Yeah, and now he's got you playing the skin flute and marching band. I don't deserve this life, I swear. What did I do in a past life to deserve this dog shit, piece of shit crap of a life? Anyway, son over here can't keep a flashlight straight. He's more interested in farm animals than he is girls. Wants to smash together symbols like a goddamn wind-up monkey instead of playing real sports. Got Weasel Dick Willie putting his feet up in the house I paid for. I still pay for, by the way. I still pay for. And the ex-bitch with a big fat ass sitting around farting in a goddamn $50,000 Jeep. I swear to God. Oh, I'm really gonna do it this time, kid. I'm really gonna do it this time. No, I'm fine. I'm fine. Be a lot more fine if you could point the goddamn flashlight straight. Willie, he can have her. He can have her. He's welcome. I hope she makes his life as fucking miserable as she did mine. Your ma now, you know, back in the day, she was all right. Lately, you know, her mom's genes are starting to take over, if you catch my drift. The bitch has got an ass like a Budweiser Clydesdale. Who fucking cares? It doesn't matter. Nothing fucking matters. You know, the sun's gonna blow up one day. The sun's just gonna fucking explode. The earth's gonna be gone. Boom, poof, gone. Cloud of dust like we was never even here. Just bang-o, supernova. So what the fuck does anything matter, kid? What does it even matter? Let it blow up. Who fucking cares? Don't take it to heart, kid. Don't take it to heart. You know, just your old man gets a couple brewskis in him and his soul ends up getting crushed by the overwhelming knowledge of his place in the universe. Just staring out into that void. Staring into the void. Yelling and screaming. Hoping something will answer back and praying that it doesn't. You know how it is, kid. You know how it is. Yeah, you ever have a beer? Have a little beer. That'll help. Yeah, you like that? I remember when my old man gave me my first, but... What do you mean, yucky? Who the fuck says yucky? Would you fucking act your age and hold the flashlight straight? Yucky. Thank your lucky stars that your dad is a kinder, gentler man, a 21st century man, okay? You think Weasel Dick Willie and your mom with her fucking fat Clydesdale ass and a stupid white Jeep are gonna prepare you for the realities of life in this world as a man, okay? If you could ever call yourself a man, swear to God. Hold the flashlight, would you? Gotta stop beating your meat to freaking honey badgers with tits or whatever the fuck it is you're looking at there. I swear, Lord, I swear to God, I swear to God, if just one fucking thing in my miserable godforsaken life could fucking go my way, one thing, That's all I ask for. If one fucking thing could go my way. Is that too much to ask? One thing. That doesn't seem like too much to ask. The one thing go my way in my whole entire life without the whole world trying to butt fuck me every time I turn around. Would you go in? Would you just go in? Would you? What does this not fit now? This doesn't go here now. I took it out. Why doesn't it go in? It goes out, but it doesn't go in. Can't believe this. Why? You tell me why. I pay for your Catholic school. You go to divinity. You go to mass. Why would a loving and benevolent God who had our best interests in mind do this to me? Why would he do this to me? Boy, this is going. I might have the hog done just in time for the rapture. That'd be my luck, wouldn't it? That's the kind of luck your old man has. I'll get my hog running, sat out on the highway, Peter Papa Cherry, back in action, baby. And then all of a sudden, all the believers getting sucked up to heaven and golden-headed mantises are bursting from the earth. You know, at least they'll have tits on them or have something to look like as I'm devoured alive in a lake of hellfire. What the? Come on. You gotta be freaking kidding me. What do you want from me? Come on, man. Take a picture. This is where you'll be one day. This is what rock bottom looks like. The whole world just kicks you in the nuts over and over and over again. Why fight it? Just let them have their way with me. Spread my legs wide open. Why not? Works out for your mother well enough, doesn't it? Fucking thing. Jesus Christ. Take me now, God. Take me now. Lightning from the sky. Come on. Help me shuffle off this mortal coil and enjoy whatever hell waits for me down below. It's gotta be better than this bullshit. Look like your old man? Of course the thing doesn't f***ing run. Why f***ing would it? Oh, well, gas wasn't on. Let's try it one more time. You know what, kid? I think everything's gonna be all right. Peter Papa Cherry is back, baby!